Sight words. A sight word is any word that is known by a reader automatically. Sight words are the basis behind the whole word approach to reading education. Use this sight words: and, has, have, his, is, this, is, was, for, on, go, to, the, her, here, there, put, but, you. Well done! It's correct. Sonu and Meenu have comic books. Well done! It's correct. This soap is used for bathing. Well done! It's correct. An apple and an orange. Well done! It's correct. Sharma and Sunil go to the stadium with their classmates. Well done! It's correct. We have toys. Well done! It's correct. Shreya goes to the hotel. Well done! It's correct. Vimal goes to the mansion with his friends. Well done! It's correct. Rowan has a dog. Well done! It's correct. Can you speak? Well done! It's correct. Rahul and Ravi go to abroad. Well done! It's correct. Meera was sitting in the park yesterday. Well done! It's correct. Have you a cart? Well done! It's correct. This is a kite. These shoes are used for protecting the legs. Well done! It's correct. These shoes are used for protecting the legs. Well done! It's correct. Apple is a fruit, but lady's finger is a vegetable. Well done! It's correct. I go to church with my family. Well done! It's correct. The fish is in the water, but the flower is on the water. Well done. It's correct. This is a museum. Well done. It's correct. Can you read? Well done. It's correct. This is his pencil. Well done. It's correct. The rabbit sat on the table, but the dog sat under the stool. Well done. It's correct. The papers are on the desk. Well done. It's correct. The printer is working very well. Well done. It's correct. Apple is a fruit, but lady's finger is a vegetable. Well done. It's correct. She goes to her native. Well done. It's correct. This is a cycle. Well done. It's correct. The bird is dancing on the floor. Well done. It's correct. This is her skirt. Well done. It's correct. Put the bench on the floor. Well done. It's correct. Sam and Robin have a bike. Well done. It's correct. A bat and a ball. Well done. It's correct. The rabbit is sitting on the grass. Well done. It's correct. The parrot is on the tree. Well done. It's correct. This is her pencil. Well done. It's correct. These shoes are used for protecting the legs. Well done. It's correct. The sun. Well done. It's correct. This is her hospital. Well done. It's correct. This is an ice cream. Well done. It's correct. A cat and a rat. Well done. It's correct. The television is on the table. Well done. It's correct. The jet is flying. Well done. It's correct. This is a carrot. Well done. It's correct. The printer is working very well. Well done. It's correct. Sangeet and Catherine have chocolates. Well done. It's correct. This is her clip. Well done. It's correct. A doll and a dress. Well done. It's correct. The helmet. Fruits. Well done. It's correct. I have fruits. Well done. It's correct. Here is the telephone.